Good evening, I'm Rod Daniels.
And I'm Marianne Bannister. Former St. Joseph Medical Center cardiologist Mark Madej is already facing civil lawsuits over questionable stents, but tonight, the state board responsible for licensing doctors has now weighed in. 11 News reporter George Lettuce has more now on the board's findings.
The Maryland Board of Physicians says Dr. Madej convinced patients to undergo procedures based upon falsified information. 5 years ago, Frank Ward was a heart patient at St. Joseph's Medical Center. Now he's a plaintiff in a lawsuit targeting the renowned hospital and its former top cardiologist, Dr. Mark Madej, for giving him expensive and risky treatment doctors now say he didn't need.
Betrayed, disappointed in that he would take and put somebody's life at risk.
Now the Maryland Board of Physicians is involved, releasing the charges it's filed against Dr. Madej: unprofessional conduct, gross overutilization of health care, willfully making a false report, and failure to keep good medical records. It said he recommended and ultimately inserted heart stents into hundreds of patients that did not need them. Stents are tubes that help prevent artery blockage. Frank Ward says he had too many stents in his heart. He eventually had bypass surgery.
With them being, highly recommended, he went with it.
An investigation revealed some of Dr. Madej's patients actually had a 30 to 40% artery blockage, not the 80% Madej reported. Ward's attorney claims it was all about profits over patients.
We don't know how deep through the system this runs. Is it just Dr. Madej? Is it the administration that was ordering Dr. Madej to do it?
Madej has maintained his innocence. Supporters have started a website on his behalf. One of his former patients writes, "I consider him to be an outstanding professional, doctor, and surgeon, and would not hesitate to have him as my surgeon again for any heart-related care." Meanwhile, Ward is not sure what's next for his health or if he can ever trust a doctor again. Now, St. Joe's Hospital has no specific comment tonight, only to say it is cooperating with the Board of Physicians as it relates to information about Dr. Madej's work there. In the newsroom, George Lettuce, WBAL TV 11 News.
George, a quick question for you. Does this mean that criminal charges most likely will be coming next?
It could be, but we do know tonight that these charges open the door for him to lose his license to practice medicine. Back to you.